After the U.S. markets closed on August 28th, Nvidia presented its latest quarterly results, and once again, they were impressive. The U.S. chip manufacturer managed to exceed the high expectations of the market and also delivered an optimistic forecast for the current quarter. In the past quarter, Nvidia achieved a net profit of $16.6 billion, nearly tripling from $6.18 billion in the same period last year. The company's revenue rose by 122% to $30.04 billion, surpassing even the already optimistic estimates of $28.68 billion. The gross margin decreased sequentially from 78.4% to 75.1%, mainly due to additional costs for defective materials and a higher share of new, more expensive products in the data center segment, according to Nvidia. However, the true highlight of the financial report was the enormous growth in the data center business, which includes AI processors. Revenue in this segment climbed by 154% compared to the previous year, reaching $26.3 billion. This means the division now generates almost 90% of Nvidia's total revenue. Not all of this revenue comes from chips, Nvidia emphasized, noting that $3.7 billion of the revenue came from the company's networking products. Hopper demand remains strong, and the anticipation for Blackwell is incredible, said Jensen Huang, founder and CEO of Nvidia. The gaming business is also growing. Revenue in this area rose by 16% year-over-year to $2.9 billion, surpassing analysts' estimates. Outside of its main segments, Nvidia is also succeeding in smaller but no less important business areas. The company reported a 20% increase in revenue in its professional visualization segment, reaching $454 million. In the automotive and robotics sector, Nvidia reported revenue of $346 million, slightly exceeding expectations. Regarding future developments, the company was also optimistic. For the current quarter, Nvidia expects revenue of around $32.5 billion, more than analysts had expected. Nvidia also announced that it expects to generate billions in revenue from its new Blackwell chip generation in the fourth fiscal quarter. Nvidia's CFO, Colette Kress, confirmed this in a prepared statement. We expect to deliver several $billion in Blackwell revenue in the fourth quarter. To further bolster shareholder confidence, Nvidia also announced additional share buybacks worth $50 billion.